Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to be doing one of my favorite hairstyles. I've been doing it a lot lately, and that is bubble braids, as you guys can tell by the title. But first, I'm actually going to be blowing out my hair to make it a little bit easier, and I just personally like the way that it looks better when my hair is like blown out or stretched out. And you can obviously do this hairstyle on your naturally curly hair, but like I said, I just like it better when my hair is stretched out. And I'm thinking that I might add some extensions to make them super long, but I'm not exactly sure yet. And before we get started, I do want to give a big shout out to TYMO for sponsoring today's video. I'm so excited because they sent me another one of their hair tools. This is the TYMO Volumizer hot air brush, and it's pink. It's so pretty. I'm about to unbox it right now and see what it looks like. I've actually used a brush like this before, and it gave me a nice blowout effect, so I'm excited to see how this one works on my hair. And I really like the fact that it's pink and not like gray or black or just a boring color. I feel like the color is washed out on camera, but it's like a really light baby pink. Even my top is kind of like a baby pink color, but it almost looks like I'm just wearing white. This is really pretty and it matches me. So this is what it looks like outside of the box, and it does come with a cord, so you have to use it while it's plugged in. I know some people may prefer cordless tools, but this one has a 360 swivel, so it makes it a little bit easier to use even though it still has to be plugged in. And this is considered a 4-in-1 styler because it can be used to blow dry, to volumize, to curl, and straighten your hair. So I obviously washed and conditioned my hair. There's no product in it except for a little bit of oil, and I feel like it's probably like 80% dry right now. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I think I'm gonna work on one side at a time. And if you guys are updated on my most recent videos, you know that I just came back from vacation and my hair definitely got lighter. I feel like it's almost starting to look blonde again. And I haven't done any of my little toning treatments or anything like that because I actually was supposed to get it colored today. I was gonna dye my whole head. I had an appointment at a legit salon. I wasn't gonna DIY anything, but unfortunately I had to cancel, and hopefully I can actually color it in a few weeks, or at least like by the end of the month, because I'm gonna be dyeing it just one solid color basically, not black or brown, so stay tuned for that. Just gonna start with this little section and do my hair in sections like that. I do want to show you guys that this volumizer actually has multiple speed and temperature settings. This first little one here, this little fan icon, is like the cool setting, and then you can turn up the speed and heat with the swiggly one, so it's like a low speed, and then the double swiggly line is the higher speed. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it all the way up. I know my hair can handle it, and that's probably the fastest way for me to get my hair done. And I feel like I'm holding a microphone. Like, this legit looks like a microphone. But I'm gonna time it, so it's actually 11:26. Let's say it's 11:30. We're gonna see how long this takes. That was one pass. It got a little bit stuck on my ends, but that was pretty good for one pass. So I feel like this is going to be a quick process. And I'm also not trying to get my hair super sleek and like slick straight because I'm doing a hairstyle. I'm not wearing my hair straight, but that's pretty good. But this is looking very promising and my hair feels nice and soft. So I'm gonna keep going. Okay, we're back to my favorite place because I'm gonna do my hair in front of the mirror just to make it a little bit quicker. So I'm gonna go ahead, keep going. I'm gonna try not to pause too much just to see how long this actually takes me. It's currently 11:35. It is exactly 11:50 and I finished this whole side of my head. That took me 15 minutes, but definitely check out the description box below if you're interested in this volumizer, and also check out some other TYMO hair tools. They have a huge selection. I even tried out their Ring Plus a few weeks ago. I'll link that video up above if you want to see how that one works before you purchase, if you're interested. As much as I love my curls, straight hair season is approaching and TYMO has some really quality products that are super affordable. Okay, it is 12:19 and my hair is completely straightened. I would say I finished around 12:15 because it took me a few minutes to set everything back up. So right on time of how long I expected it to take. I actually think it looks really good and I kind of like this better than the Ring Plus because of the way that my ends look. If you guys go back and watch, or if you remember the video that I did with the Ring Plus, I was struggling a little bit with my ends, but this made them look really nice. If I was going to just actually leave my hair out straight, I would probably use the Ring Plus to straighten out my roots just a little bit more here in the front, but besides that I feel like this volumizer did a really good job. But like I said, I will be doing the bubble braids in my hair today. I'm still debating if I want to use the extension hair to make them longer, but while I think about that, I'll go ahead and just start parting my hair. And then I usually do, I think, 4 sections of ponytails, and that's what I'm going to plan to do today. And then for the actual ponytails, I'm going to be using this olive oil edge control. It's from the brand Palmer's. I like this one a lot because it holds really good, but it doesn't make your hair hard or cause white flakes, at least for me. And I know the lighting keeps changing, but I'm just sitting in front of the window and the sun keeps coming in and out of the clouds, so sorry, but I'm using natural light today. But I'm just using that same comb to make sure that I brush the hair up super sleek. And then of course you're gonna need some rubber bands for the bubble braids. I'm just gonna use regular black ones that match my hair. Okay, so I have ponytail 1 and 2 done. I'm gonna go ahead and start adding more and connecting them to each other. So I'm just sectioning off another chunk of hair for a second ponytail. I'm gonna apply some more of this edge control. I'm gonna apply this to every section. That's basically as easy as it is. There's the second bubble and I'm going to continue that all the way down my head, and then of course repeat the same thing on this side. And I'm gonna attempt the extension hair one time and one time only. So if you guys are seeing this clip right now, that means it was a success, so stay tuned. So now we have our second bubble braid in, but this is what the ends look like. Looks super ugly and straggly and just like dead. So that's why I'm gonna go ahead and curl them. So I'm using that same edge control stuff for my baby hairs. Okay, so time to remove these little rollers and we're gonna see what it looks like. that is pretty much it for this video and this hairstyle. I think it came out super cute and I love how long it looks. And if you guys have any questions, definitely leave a comment down below and I'll answer everything and anything. Also check out the description box if you're interested in purchasing the volumizer that I use to blow out my hair or any other TYMO tools. And thank you once again to TYMO for sponsoring today's video. That is it for this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.